Good morning, students. Our lesson today is cause and effect. Watch and listen for what happens when I drop a book on the desk. What happened when the book was dropped? Why did the book make a noise? Write the answers on your draft. On my signal, pair up and check your answers. Let's check our answers. What happened when the book was dropped? It made a noise. Why did the book make a noise? Because it was dropped. Watch and listen to the story if you give a mouse a cookie.
If You Give a Mouse a Cookie by Laura Joffe Numeroff, illustrated by Felicia Bond, read by Michael Harris. If you give a mouse a cookie, he's going to ask you for a glass of milk. When you give him the milk, he'll probably ask you for a straw. When he's finished, he'll ask for a napkin. Then he'll want to look in a mirror to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. When he looks into the mirror, he might notice that his hair needs a trim, so he'll probably ask for a pair of nail scissors. When he's finished giving himself a trim, he'll want a broom to sweep up. He'll start sweeping. He might get carried away and sweep every room in the house. He may even end up washing the floors as well. When he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap. You'll have to fix up a little box for him with a blanket and a pillow. He'll crawl in, make himself comfortable, fluff the pillow a few times. He'll probably ask you to read him a story. So you'll read to him from one of your books, and he'll ask to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he'll get so excited he'll want to draw one of his own, and he'll ask for paper and crayons. He'll draw a picture, and when the picture's finished, he'll want to sign his name with a pen. Then he'll want to hang his picture on your refrigerator, which means he'll need Scotch tape. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back and look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him that he's thirsty. So he'll ask for a glass of milk. And chances are, if he asks for a glass of milk, he's going to want a cookie to go with it.
What did the mouse want after the cookie? Why did she want a blanket and pillow? Pair up and answer the question. Then discuss what you think the why and the what mean. Yes, you're right. Cause is what makes something happen. It is why it happens. Example, my dog played in the dirt. It is the first thing that happens. To find it, we can ask the question, how did it happen? the effect. It is what happens. It is the result. Example, so I had to give him a bath. Effect happens second. To find it, we ask, what happens? Let's review. A cause is something that makes something happen. Another word for cause is reason, source, make happen. An effect is what happens. Other words for effect: result, outcome, consequence. The following words are clue words that join cause and effect sentences. Since, so, therefore, because, due to the fact. Now, we're going to listen to a song. On your draft, you have to answer the following questions. What happens to Humpty Dumpty? Why did Humpty Dumpty fall?
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Couldn't put Humpty together again. Couldn't put Humpty together again.
Now, let's put our drafts on the table, and you have some cause, some effects. It is fall. What do you think the effect would be? It is winter. Write an effect. It is spring. Write another effect. It is summer. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Get to work. The answers. It is fall. A reasonable answer could be, leaves fall from the trees. It is winter. It is very cold. It is spring. Flowers begin to bloom. It is summer. Everyone goes to the beach. Let's highlight the cause in yellow and the effect in green. Let us read the sentences and try to figure out which one is the cause and which one is the effect. My mom got mad at me because I broke the lamp. It is raining, so we can't go outside for recess. I ate 6 pieces of pizza because I love pizza. I'm going to ask a couple of students to write these causes and effects on their drafts. Then we're going to highlight them on the board. Get to work. Let's check the answers. My mom got mad at me. Why did mom got mad at me? Because I broke her lamp. It is raining, so we can't go outside for recess. I ate 6 pieces of pizza because I love pizza. Why did I eat 6 pieces of pizza? Because I love pizza. Read the sentences below. Then, try to put the cause and the effect in the chart. The balloon popped because the teacher pricked it. The tire went flat as a result of a nail in the road. The gusty wind caused the trash can to fall over. And Jill has been happy since she got a puppy for her birthday. Right now, get 5 minutes to do this exercise. let's check the answers. So, the teacher pricked it. The balloon popped. So why did the balloon pop? What was the cause? Because the teacher pricked it. So because the teacher pricked it, what happened to the balloon? The balloon popped. The tire went flat. That was the effect. What happened to the tire? The tire went flat. What was the cause? The cause was a nail on the road. The gusty wind caused the trash can to fall over. What happened to the trash can? The trash can fell over. Why? Because of the gusty wind. Jill has been happy since she got a puppy for her birthday. So what happened to Jill? Jill was happy. What was the cause of Jill being happy? It's because she got a puppy for her birthday. Now, get ready. Get your active expressions ready. And let's answer some cause and effect. What could be the cause of breaking the law? Chewing gum, stealing, jumping, or being mean? Look at the picture. What's the cause? What's the effect? What could be the cause of having an awesome report card? Could it be paying attention, fooling around, or not listening? A or B? Now, let's vote for the cause or the effect. It is raining, so we can't go outside for recess. I ate 6 pieces of pizza because I love pizza. My mom got mad at me because I broke her lamp, and my friend invited me over and we played outside. Take 2 minutes to do this exercise, voting on your active expressions. A or B? Good job. Grade 2. Let's go back to find out what is a cause and what is an effect. A cause is something that happens, that makes something else happen. The effect is the result of something that has happened. We're going to do some station work, as we usually do. Just one exercise to find out if you have grasped this objective. Let's get to work. I'm going to get some students to think about the cause and the effect. We're going to drag each cause and place it beside the effect that goes with it. I want you to read those words and try to match the cause with its effect. When you are finished, write a cause and effect sentence with some of the groups on your draft. Get to work. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you tomorrow.